Many people wonder if they start their own Social Security early, they know they're going to get a reduction because they took it earlier than their full retirement age, so maybe they take it at 62. At 62, they're getting a 30% reduction. That's permanent on your own Social Security. That's permanent for the rest of your life. That reduction is not going to go away. And you're like, that's okay. I didn't make that money anyway. What I'm planning on in my retirement is switching to a widow benefit because my husband's a lot older than me. He's likely to predecease me. If I draw my Social Security early with the reduction, which I accept, does that reduction carry over when I file for widow benefits? And the good news is it does not at all. How much you get in Social Security widow benefits, which is also known as survivor benefits, so it's gender neutral, widow or widower, man or woman, as a survivor to draw, you can still get 100%. So let's say my husband dies and I'm 63. I started drawing my own Social Security at 62. So we said I got a 30% reduction off my own work history. And now my husband dies at 64. I have the option to switch to a widow benefit right now, or I can be more strategic. I can continue to take my benefit, even though it's lower, and let my widow benefit grow. Meaning let me age up to my full retirement age, because at my full retirement age, which for me would be age 67, I would be able to get 100% of what my spouse was drawing in his Social Security benefit at the time he died. Or if he hadn't been drawing yet, how much he was eligible for at his full retirement age, in the case my spouse died before he was drawing. So if I want to switch to a widow benefit, I can switch right now at 62, 3, 4, 5, all those years. But that's younger than my full retirement age, so I'll be locking in a reduced amount. If I'm going to need to live on that money for a long time, because all the women in my family live to the late 80s, then I want to take my own Social Security, even though it's reduced and it's lower, take that for a couple years, maybe just a couple years. And if I'm healthy and I'm feeling good, I might wait all the way till my full retirement age, which is 67, and then switch over to my widow benefits. I would lock in the 100% as a widow of what my spouse was drawing at the time of death, or what he was eligible to draw if he died before he was actually drawing Social Security. If you find this valuable, please hit subscribe. If you have questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.